Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how to set up the Python development and debug environment. I'm going to take example of I'm doing all these things on a Windows laptop, so it's Windows 10, and the prerequisite to start with that, you need to download and install the Visual Studio Code from the following link. So if you click on this link, so you're gonna see, okay, so the Visual Studio Code installers for Windows, Ubuntu, and this one Red Hat, and then Mac, all are available. So you can click on like installer, or if you need a zip file. So my preference is always installer because it's just very simple. You need to click and it will set the path for you, but in installer maybe you have to do it yourself. So I will click on 64-bit user installer, and you will see like it start the download, but I'm not going to show you how to install it. I think you guys should be able to do it, so I'm going to cancel it. Now going to the next link, so you have to install the Python also. Once you click on this link, so it's gonna take you to this path, and there you're gonna click on download. So this is the latest version, you can see on the bottom screen. So other versions are also available, so you can do all those things. So you can choose what version you want to do. And so like once I clicked on this, it was able to download this. So it's also exe based installer. So and you can do it install on your laptop, very simple. So I don't think you're gonna face a challenge in that doing so these kind of things, so that's why I'm skipping that part. So now going to the next tab. So once our Visual Studio Code is installed, Python is installed, then third step is install Python extension in Visual Studio Code by clicking on the highlighted button with red circle. So here you can see, so if I go in my Visual Studio Code, and here you see this extension, if I click on this, so you can see like I'm talking about this Python installer. So you can uninstall it because it's installed on my machine in my Visual Studio Code already, so that's why it's showing me uninstall button. But if you're going to do it first time, it's going to show you the install button. Yeah, so that's all good now. And now like let's say we go to the files. So in the file, so you can create a like, so this is the Python sample folder. So I created it in my like C drive, then in the projects, and then in the Python samples. So just you can create any Python file. So let's say I want to, maybe it's better I show you over here. So like let's say add a new file, and I'm going to do hello 4.py. so Python file should start with with .py extension, and then in this what I'm going to take, I will copy these two lines from here, and I'm gonna paste it in hello 4.py, and then I'm gonna save it. I'm going to close all these other open windows, and now if I want to say, let's say modify it 1 and then 2, so save the file using, I'm doing Control S to save the file. Now let's see if I want to run, so run without debugging. So you can see it's printing hello world 1 and 2, so these files. But if you want to debug also, so debug is also simple, just start debugging, and then you have to select the interpreter. Sorry about this. Debug the current active Python file, so you select this, and then if you put a like debug mark over here, yeah, so you can see now it's taking the control on this debug pointer, and we can see like we can see what is there. So just a minute, I want to show you something else, like okay, what are the variables and other things. So let's do the debug again, start debugging, select the Python file, and where it is showing all the debug variable and all other things. That's what I want to show you. Yeah, so we need to click on this debug icon, and then you can see okay, whatever the local variable, what are the global variables in your Python script. So you will be able to see, you can add the watch over here. So all those kind of things generally you can do in all other programming language, like if it is a .NET, C# or Java. So all those kind of capabilities are available in this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know if you are now stuck up with any problem while following these guidelines or tutorial. I will be happy to help you. Just leave a comment, I'll support you. Thank you so much.